Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this. I'm recording this on 22nd of June. It's a Monday, and the coronavirus is in decline, sort of. Shops are open in Wales. This video is all about a little trick that I've just found, or found the last couple of months, which has helped me a bit with different things. And I think it may help you as well. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you another way that I found the same type of thing, because I sort of looked for that as well and found something you can do with that. And then I've looked at ways that you could make money using this technique. At the moment, I'm not using this technique to make any money. I'm more concentrating on affiliate marketing. There's a link somewhere. It's affiliate marketing. It's a link. That's my link, so I will get a bit of commission if you click on the link and do whatever you do with that link. But the first little thing that I found was this. Now, I struggled with images and getting rid of the background of images. Now, you may well say, well, Morgan knew about this for years as well. I didn't. So I just thought I'd share with those people who don't know. I was using like a Photoshop software to cut round the image. So say with an image like this, I would cut round with a line, and then I would do certain things to get rid of the background. And then I found this, remove.bg. And the funny thing is, it's like when you're not looking for something, you don't see it, and then when you find something, you see it everywhere. So suddenly I've seen this website everywhere now. It's like when you don't see a red car, and suddenly you see red cars everywhere. So this little, it's called remove.bg, and all it does really is it removes the background of an image. So it's quite easy. Upload an image. This one I did previously, just to test. So we can go, I can put Elvis in, so we'll open that. So that's the original. And then what I was previously doing was using a bit of Photoshop, and I would get like a line and I go all the way around whatever this was, and then I would create a layer out of that and then get rid of this, and it took me ages. But this does it in like seconds. So that's the image I've just uploaded from Moodle, not from Moodle, from Google. Moodle something different. And then you just upload it like that, look, and then click on a button and it does it for you. I thought, well, it's a revelation to me. That's amazing. So that's quite handy. So that could be handy for you. And then you can just download it. And it downloads in without the background. Which you can then, what I was doing then was, I was using it for this. I'll probably do another video on this, but I was using it. If you haven't used Canva, Canva's a good thing to do. I was using it, or am using it, to create, I don't know why I'm so far zoomed out. I was using it to do, where is it? YouTube, just type it in here. YouTube, what's the word for that YouTube thumbnail? My mind goes on again, see? Thumbnail. So that's what I was doing. And then you can then upload. So I had this now, and see if it works. So I was then taking a picture, look, and then removing the background, so then you can move it in like that, so it looks like you're in there. Are you with me? So that's me, look, rather than having a background like that. So what I was doing was, I was taking pictures of myself in a non-weird way, and removing the background, and then just putting it in to my thumbnails. But if you can see, what I was doing previously was I was cutting around, which took forever. So that's one way I use this remove BG now, is that I download it, and I was using it to do my thumbnails. So you could do that if you're using thumbnails. I'll probably make a video on how I did thumbnails, because there's quite a little free technique with Canva. You can get people to pay you to, or you pay people to do your thumbnails. So remove.bg is quite a good little website if you want to remove the background. And then I was Googling a bit and I found this, which again, once I know it's here, then a lot of people know about this. But this is the same type of thing. I haven't used it yet. But if you're going to use video and you want to get rid of the background, this looks like to be the same type of thing. You upload your clip and it gets rid of the background. So there's the example. And then you can do with it what you want. Obviously, this is free, but there's a pro version. Look, so you can do all of that then with it. No watermark. So there is, or coming soon. So there's, you can download your videos and you can remove the background with this unscreen.com. And you can also remove the background of an image with remove.bg. You can use it for thumbnails like I am. And then there's another thing you can do. If you go to Fiverr, now I don't do this, it's just a way that you could, you may like this idea, it's just an idea that you could do. I mean, I might do it in months to come, but so now we know that it's quite easy, right, to remove a background from an image. If you go into Fiverr, remove image background. Remove image background. So I will remove background. So £4.24, £4.20. I will remove image background and retouch your photos. I will remove image background, crop images, photo logo. So you could do something like this. £4.24, 50 easy photos. So what's that one? 40 photos. I mean, you could do that if you wanted to. Obviously for 100 photos, things like that. But it's something you can easily do if you were short of a couple of quid. What's this one here? I will image, cut out image, background, remove image. So there we are. What's this one doing? So 10 images, £4.24. It's not going to take you long to do it this way. Let's see what the pricing for remove is. 18. That's 18 pence an image, pay as you go. So perhaps subscribers, £35 a month. So perhaps, I would perhaps do it that way. Well, 10 credits. So it's something you could do. If that works for you. Or just do the free ones. And then you could also do this. Remove video background. I'm assuming that's on here, because I haven't looked at it. Remove background from video. What's that one like? I will remove background noise. I'll remove background from video without green screen. There we are. So you could do this. Remove background without green screen. So what's this here do? There's the video. So I mean, it's something. I haven't done any of this, and it's just an idea I was thinking about that. somebody may benefit from it. So you could go down that avenue of definitely using it for whatever you're using it for. You may use the video, and if you want to perhaps look into making a bit of money out of it or developing it further, then go to Fiverr and see how you get on with that. Like I say, I'm not doing this at the moment, but it's something that you could do. There's a few links on the video or on this site somewhere with a link to what I am doing at the moment. It's affiliate marketing. It's a link that's my personal link, and it's a that will take you to what I'm doing. Obviously, it's a link, so I will get a bit of commission from that. So have a look at that if you want to. Otherwise, happy removing backgrounds. If you found this of value, please subscribe to my channel, share it if you like it. If you're an Elvis fan, give me a comment. And if you do use this and have some success in it, let me know, because it could be something that you could do. But for now, happy Monday, and that's a band, Happy Mondays. Happy Monday, and I'll see you all soon. Over and out.